All right, guys, so we are walking down to the waterfall. Man, this is just beautiful right now. Ivania needs to always be first. It's important to her. But it was actually not too easy to get here. But you can see, I don't know if you see, there's a lot of water. The waterfall is right here, and it's freaking huge. Huge, huge, huge. It's beautiful, man. Wow, so everything out here is wet. And I hope you can understand how big this thing is. It's just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. And it comes up, drops down, and it goes for quite a while. Very, very cool. Very, very cool.